Hey guys, today you're going to work on combining like terms across the equal sign and then solving equations. Remember that like terms are any numbers that are with the same variable, so in this case 3x and 2x are like terms, and then also any constants, which are just numbers by themselves, so 2 and 8 are constants. What we're going to do is we're going to combine like terms, which means we're going to put together 3x and 2x, and then we're going to put together the 2 and the 8. Let's go through this. So the first thing I always do is I combine my variables. I'm trying to get my x's together. It doesn't matter if I move the 3x over here or if I move the 2x over here, but I always try to keep my numbers positive, so I'm going to move the smaller one. I find the smaller one. I've got 3x and 2x. 2x is smaller, so this is the one I'm going to move. I can see that it's a positive 2x, so to move it, I'm going to subtract 2x on both sides of my equal sign. 3x minus 2x is 1x, which you can write as just x, because this is only one thing. Plus 2 drops down, because I haven't used that yet, so that goes from here to here. I'm going to rewrite my equal sign. 2x minus 2x is 0 plus 8. And 0 plus 8 is just 8, so I actually don't even really have to rewrite that 0. Now I have x plus 2 equals 8. My last step is going to be to combine my constants. My constants are the 2 and the 8 because they're numbers by themselves. I'm trying to isolate x, or get x by itself, so to move this 2 to the other side, I need to use inverse operations. The 2 is being added to x, so I need to subtract 2 on both sides of my equal sign. X is left alone. 2 minus 2 is 0, so this is x plus 0 equals 8 minus 2 is 6. 0 is just how we represent nothing in math, so my answer is x equals 6. Let's do one more. Again, I'm going to try to combine like terms. So in this case, my like terms are my x's, and then again, my constants, which are just plain numbers by themselves. I'm going to combine my x's first. I always like to move the smaller one because that's usually how you keep it positive. My smaller number of x's is 2x, and I can see that it's a minus 2x, or negative 2x, so I'm going to add it on both sides of my equal sign. Negative 2x plus 2x is 0, so this really just cancels out, and I need to bring this positive 3 down. So 3 equals 5x plus 2x is 7x. Bring down the minus 11. And now I can see that I have constants, and I'm left with just one variable, so that's fine. I'm done with my variable. To combine my constants, I'm going to move this 11 over by adding it on both sides. 3 plus 11 is 14. Bring down my equal sign. 7x I haven't touched. And negative 11 plus 11 is just 0, so this is like saying 7x plus 0, so we don't really need this. We can just rewrite it as 14 equals 7x. If I want to get x by itself, I use inverse operations. Because 7 is squished next to x, that means multiply. To cancel multiply, I use the inverse, which is divide. So I divide by 7 on both sides. 14 divided by 7 is 2. 7 divided by 7 is 1. A lot of times you'll see your teacher cross it out. That means it's canceling out, but what it really means is that it's just 1x, and that's what we're trying to do, is get down to just 1x. So 2 equals 1x, or 2 equals x. Your turn.